Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am happy to welcome you all for our online learning. Class 12, subject Biozoology, Chapter 2, Human Reproduction. Now I am going to discuss about gametogenesis. You know very well, genesis means formation. Gameto means gamete formation. So gametogenesis is the process of formation of gametes, that is sperms and ovums. Sperm in the case of male and ovum in the case of female. Once again I am repeating, gametogenesis is the formation of gametes, that is sperm and ovum from the primary sex organ. What are the primary sex organs? In male, the primary sex organ is testis. In female, it is ovary. This testis and ovary are the primary sex organs. These primary sex organs produce the gametes called sperms and ovum. Clear? In gametogenesis, meiosis is a type of cell division. You know, three different types of cell division. One is amitotic cell division, and second one is mitotic cell division, and third one is meiosis. Meiosis is a type of cell division, takes place in sex cells. Okay, what is meiosis? It is reduction division. So meiosis plays a most significant role in the process of gametogenesis. Once again I am repeating, gametogenesis is a process of formation of gametes, that is sperms and ovum from the primary sex organ, that is testis and ovary. Here meiosis plays a very important or significant role in gametogenesis. Clear? First, I like to start with spermatogenesis. That means how the sperm produced. How the sperm will produce. Spermatogenesis is the sequence of events. It is step by step process. Sequence of events which takes place in the seminiferous tubules. Once again I am repeating, spermatogenesis is a sequence of events which takes place in the seminiferous tubules of the testis. Children, you know very well what is seminiferous tubule. It is a highly coiled 2 to 4 highly coiled tube like structure, that is called seminiferous tubule. This seminiferous tubule is present inside the testis. Here it is the site of sperm production. So sperm is produced only in the seminiferous tubules of testis. So during the development, the primary germ cells, the primordial germ cells, during the development, the primordial germ cells migrate slowly into the testis and it became immature germ cells. Once again I am repeating, during the development, the primordial germ cells slowly migrated into the testis and it becomes immature germ cells called sperm mother cells. The immature germ cells are called as sperm mother cells, are also called as spermatogonia. The immature mother cells, immature germ cells or sperm mother cells also called as spermatogonia. The spermatogonia began to undergo the first division called mitotic cell division. The spermatogonia is diploid in nature. It is 2n. The chromosomal number is 46, 23 pairs chromosomes. So the spermatogonia is diploid in nature. This spermatogonia, also called as mother cell, undergo mitotic cell division. Mitotic cell division only at the time of puberty, that is after puberty. So the spermatogonia or sperm mother cell. So sperm mother cell undergoes mitotic cell division only at the time of, only after puberty or from the puberty, and it continues till the life period of man. Once again I am repeating, the spermatogonia begins to divide. It undergoes mitotic cell division at puberty, and this continue throughout the lifetime. Clear, children? See the steps or events takes place in spermatogenesis, and this is called spermatogonia, also called as sperm mother cell. This spermatogenesis has 3 phases. Up to this it is called a multiplication phase. Multiplication phase, and second phase is growth phase, and third one is maturation phase. So the spermatogenesis has 3 phases. The first one is multiplication phase, second one is growth phase, and third one is maturation phase. During the multiplication phase, the sperm mother cell, that is called spermatogonia, undergoes a mitotic cell division. So during that mitotic cell division, the chromosomal number will not change, but the cell becomes enlarged. That is called multiplication phase. Okay? So in the first stage, what is the first stage? The multiplication phase. In the first stage, in the spermatogonia, in the first stage of spermatogenesis, the spermatogonia or mother cell, sperm mother cell, migrate among Sertoli cells towards the center lumen of seminiferous tubules and became modified and enlarged to form primary spermatocytes. Once again I am repeating, in the first stage of spermatogenesis, the spermatogonia, or also called as sperm mother cell, slowly migrate among the Sertoli cells, and it enters into the lumen of seminiferous tubules, and it became modified and enlarged cell called primary spermatocytes. These primary spermatocytes is also diploid in nature, having 46 chromosomes. See here, the primary spermatocytes is diploid, having 23 pairs, that is 46 chromosomes. Some of the primary spermatocytes undergoes the first mitotic cell division, the first meiotic cell division. The first meiotic cell division. Meiotic cell division means reduction division. Some of the primary spermatocytes undergoes first meiotic cell division. Now the chromosomal number is reduced. Okay. So some of the primary spermatocytes undergo first meiotic cell division to form 2 secondary spermatocytes. Okay. So the primary spermatocytes is converted into changed into 2 secondary spermatocytes which are haploid. Okay, see here, and this is primary spermatocytes, it undergoes mitotic division 1 to form two daughter cells. This primary spermatocytes is 2n in nature, diploid. Once it undergoes meiotic cell division to form two haploid cells. So see here, the primary spermatocytes undergoes meiotic cell division to form two haploid cells having n number of chromosomes, that is 23 chromosomes in each cell. Okay. The secondary spermatocytes, after completion of first meiotic cell division, the secondary spermatocytes undergoes again the second meiotic division to form four haploid spermatids. Once again I am repeating, the secondary spermatocytes undergoes meiotic cell division 2 to form four haploid spermatids. Okay, see here, this is primary spermatocytes. It undergoes meiotic division 1 to form two haploid and this cell undergoes meiotic division 2 getting four haploid cells. See here, the primary spermatocytes undergoes meiosis cell division 1, it produces two haploid cells. The primary spermatocytes is diploid in nature, having 2n. The chromosomal number is reduced to nn, haploid. Again the secondary, this is called secondary spermatocytes. This is called secondary spermatocytes. This is called secondary spermatocytes. This secondary spermatocytes again undergoes meiosis cell division 2 to form four haploid cells. These four haploid cells are called as spermatids. Okay, and then the spermatids are transformed into mature spermatozoa, that is called sperms. The spermatids are transferred into a mature spermatozoa, also called as sperms, by the process called spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis is a process of conversion of spermatids into a mature spermatozoa, that is called sperm. Once again I am repeating, spermiogenesis is the process of conversion of spermatids into a mature spermatozoa. Okay, and then the sperms are finally released into the cavity of seminiferous tubules by the process called spermiation. Spermiation is the process of release of a mature sperm, a mature spermatozoa into the cavity of seminiferous tubules. Okay, so sperms are finally released into the cavity of seminiferous tubules by the process called spermiation. The overall process of spermatogenesis takes place of about 64 days. The overall process of spermatogenesis takes place about 64 days. Okay. This is the enlarged portion of seminiferous tubules, and this is spermatogonia mother cell, sperm mother cell, and it changed into primary spermatozoites. It is diploid. After that, this primary spermatozoites undergoes meiosis cell division 1 to form secondary spermatozoites. These secondary spermatozoites again undergo meiotic cell division 2 to form spermatids. After that, the process of conversion of spermatids into spermatozoa is called spermiogenesis. Clear? The process of conversion of spermatids into spermatozoa is called spermiogenesis. Clear, children? Yes. The spermatogenesis starts at the age of puberty. It starts only at the age of puberty. It may vary from person to person. One person gets puberty at the age of 12. One person gets puberty at the age of 14. It may vary. Okay. So the spermatogenesis starts at the age of puberty and is initiated. It is stimulated due to the increase in the release of gonadotropin releasing hormone by hypothalamus. Once again I am repeating, the spermatogenesis starts at the age of puberty and it is initiated due to the increase in the release of gonadotropin releasing hormone by hypothalamus. This gonadotropin releasing hormone acts on anterior pituitary. You know that pituitary has two lobes, two regions. One is anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. So this GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone, acts on anterior pituitary gland and stimulates the secretion of two gonadotropin, namely follicular stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Once again I am repeating, GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone, acts on the anterior pituitary and stimulates the secretion of two hormones. One is called follicular stimulating hormone and another one is called luteinizing hormone. Okay. FSH, follicular stimulating hormone, stimulates testicular growth and helps in the process of spermiogenesis. This particular hormone, follicular stimulating hormone, stimulates the testicular growth and also helps in the process of spermiogenesis. And then LH, luteinizing hormone, acts on the Leydig cells and stimulates the synthesis of testosterone. So LH, luteinizing hormone, acts on Leydig cells and to stimulate the Leydig cells to produce testosterone hormone, which in turn stimulates the process of the spermatogenesis. Again I am telling, LH, luteinizing hormone, acts on the Leydig cells to stimulate the sex hormone called testosterone, and which in turn stimulate the process of spermatogenesis. Clear, children? Thank you, children. We will see in the next class.